So I ran across a pretty interesting question a while back, and I'll share it with you. If you could live to be 105, say 105 years old, would you want to? And what are revealed are some of the thoughts and the myths about growing older. And some of that would make someone say, no, I don't want to live older. And what it did is it triggered me into writing down a couple of thoughts that I'll share with you. So, Forrest, you asked me, why would I want to live a whole lot longer? Because I'm not getting better looking and I'm not getting any stronger. But what if we could live to a dignified older age and be proud of who we are at every stage? Some people say that aging ain't for wimps and for those faint of heart, but what if we can learn about aging well and aging smart? Let's all know that we still matter and that we don't disappear. And together, we overcome our worries and the things that we might fear. The thought of losing ourselves and our independent way, about being less important as our hair turns gray. So, together, we have to say it's a challenge to yield to the wisdom of years, but not to give up living because we had those fears. Have we all known good people who give up their light and give in to dark thoughts and dark feelings before it turns night? Are they fading fast as that habit becomes their reality? And do they ever search out ways to build and rediscover their vitality? So we invite you to think about that with our aging question and with the ageless path. We're all going to get older, but let's age less along the way. That's what the ageless community is really about. I invite you to take a good look and step in with us.